Theoretical linguistics definition. Theoretical linguistics is a branch of linguistics that focuses on developing and studying theories and models to understand language. It is concerned with exploring the abstract and systematic aspects of language, rather than practical applications, like language teaching or translation. Sub-branches of theoretical linguistics: phonetics and phonology, the examination of the sounds of speech, phonetics, and the abstract sound patterns and rules in language, phonology, morphology, the analysis of word structure and how words are formed, including the study of prefixes, suffixes, and root words, syntax, the study of sentence structure, and the rules governing how words are combined to create meaningful sentences. Semantics, the investigation of meaning in language, including how words and sentences convey information and reference the world. Pragmatics, the study of how context, social factors, and speaker intentions influence the interpretation of language.